Welcome to SaaS Tool Insider, where we explore the best software deals to help you grow smarter. Today, we're looking at ProductLift, a simple platform that helps you collect customer feedback, prioritize features, and announce updates. Instead of guessing what to build next, ProductLift helps you focus on what your users actually want. Feedback boards and voting. Instead of scattered emails and support tickets, ProductLift gives your users a single place to submit requests and vote on features. You instantly see what matters most. No more guessing or building based on gut feeling. Smart prioritization. ProductLift helps you prioritize with proven frameworks like RICE or ICE. That means you're not just picking features randomly, you're making data-driven decisions on what will have the biggest impact. Custom roadmaps. Your roadmap shouldn't be locked inside your head or a private doc. With ProductLift, you can build a clear visual roadmap that customers and your team can actually follow. View it by quarters, sprints, or custom stages, whatever fits your workflow best. Changelogs that engage users. Launching new features is only half the battle. You also need to make sure customers see them and use them. ProductLift has built-in changelogs, so every update feels like an announcement, keeping your users engaged and excited. Seamless customization. From custom domains and branding to single sign-on, embeds, and even CSS tweaks, your feedback portal looks and feels like part of your own product, not a generic third-party tool. Normally, you'd need to pay for 3 or 4 different tools to handle feedback, roadmaps, and announcements. ProductLift combines all of that, and right now on AppSumo, you can grab it for a one-time payment starting at $49, no recurring subscription. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start building the features your customers actually want, ProductLift is worth a look. I'll leave the link to the lifetime deal in the description below. Thanks for watching SaaS Tool Insider.